I've fought battles in this town, I tell you. In battles ahead. I was in my house on a Saturday when a call came. Mommy, kidnapper went to my parents' house and took her. Saturday. My dad bleeding because he was battling to save his wife. I called him. I drove there at about 12 midnight. Took my dad to hospital because he was badly injured. I came to church and still preaching 2 services as if nothing happened. Listen, you need him because of the battles in ministry. There are territorial demons, for we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but principal demons. Daniel